These are going to be a rare occasion where you're going to see the self-check-in, and very soon these will be closed and will be manned, and a security camera is still there, but it doesn't care. The folks who actually, if you've seen what's going on in London and the rest of Europe and New York and all over Western world, under the security guys, they actually shoplift. You will see some of the photos. Here's a store on the platform, right? Self-checkout, and it recognizes when you come in. And but here in Japan, it's also very relaxed about people, and I have seen folks just walking out without paying. So they have security in department stores. There are secret security in electronic stores and department stores to to mitigate the risks. It's a shame. And in London, right under the nose of the security, they are picking stuff. This morning there was a store by NewDays, and it was self-service. As I said, these were all self-service initially, but they actually changed the rules, and there's a person in there now, only because, you know why, aberrant individuals will come and pick the stuff and just disappear. So for that reason, they have to employ a person now. It's really sad, right? How Japan is changing. Well, that's what happens when you want cheap. When the yen got cheap, and it's got with it imported all the cheap individuals too. Like what Trump says is real. Don't dump the nonsense on somebody else's land that has improved for so many generations. The relevant education is what we need.